Hey everybody, I'm Corbin with Titan Plumbing and Electric, and today we're going to be cutting open this 40-gallon electric water heater and taking a look at what's inside. All right, everybody, I've cut open the 40-gallon electric water heater. Now let's take a look at what's on the inside. Okay, well, we got some sediment here. As you can see, it is a nasty color. It doesn't have a very pleasant smell either. This sediment building up inside your water heater can affect color and odor. If you're experiencing problems with the odor of your water, please give Titan Plumbing Electric a call at 813-933-8010 or visit our website, titanplumbingelectric.com.